Okay, good morning. Good morning. Today I will be doing the further discussions with the part B and part C sections. So, when it comes to part B and part C, it is most difficult section for everyone. There is no doubt how people struggle, especially students struggle over the. So here I will be trying to explain you how you have to do the reading section in OET. So one thing you have to keep in mind is that in this reading section, especially you have to focus on particular words. It's like nevertheless, thus, so, however, despite of, then chords, how they use the punctuations. There is your answer. If you know, learn how you have to figure it out, then it will be helpful for in the examination. If you know how to select the right keyword or select the right linkers, then this will be helpful for you. It will be saving your time. So let me explain this to you. See, it's a reading itself has its own complications, so I am trying to simplify as much as possible. The manual inform us that the blood pressure monitor. So when you get some question like this, so inform us. Oh, so initially what happened is that whatever explained here up to here, everything is the information or fact what all happened. But see, I told you to focus on some words, nevertheless, this, so that such word is nevertheless. So even though, like that, so that is the meaning. Nevertheless, whatever be the situation, care should be taken to avoid the use of monitor within 7 meters. So 7 meters is the proximity of cell phones or other device generating. Okay, so this is the answer. One answer is B because it's proximity. Because I found this answer just with a word. So with experience you should know what is the use of nevertheless. Let it be any reason. However, we have to focus on this. That is the information provided in the sentence. Okay, now we are moving to the next question. The notice giving information about, again is something related to information. So see the word, one word only, therefore only be carried out by a registered doctor or nurse. It should be someone who knows medicine. So it will be C, which staff should be using that thing. So answer is 2C. So from one word, therefore, previous question it was nevertheless. So second question is therefore. Now moving on to the next question. What must all staff involved in the transfusion must process do? So here how all staff is a keyword, transfusion process. So all staff is here. Transfusion process must be competency assessed. So answer will be A. Check whether the existing training is still valid. That means their competency should be assessed. Because two keywords are coming at the same place. Moving on to the fourth question. Okay, the guidelines establish that the healthcare professional should. See, one thing is that I will show you how many times this healthcare professionals has been used in this passage. See, healthcare professional has been used in several places. Okay, so with the keyword you won't be able to find out. And should, see, let's see, several places that should also has been mentioned. So it's difficult to identify with the keyword here. So here you have to read. So like everything, like I told you, therefore, thus, hence, like that. Whenever there is a questioning and doubtful condition, like that, doubtful or questionable condition, you have to focus on such sentence. It is often, so it's like controversy or something. So the guideline establish the health, something is establishing here. Someone should, healthcare profession should. It is often a question of using professional judgment to assess an individual situation. So, individual situation, see, individual situation, this word, the synonym used here is case by case. Individual is case by case studies. Okay, and comes if this person is offered and declined, this must be clearly documented in the patient record along with any relevant discussion. So for some person it has that particular, I don't know the pronunciation, has to be recorded, otherwise it should be discarded. Or see, in the writing there will be relevance and irrelevant, like that. Some patients have to keep in everything should be clearly documented along with relevant discussion also will be there, should be there. So it has two options, it could be either offered or declined. So there is an option, so it varies from individual to individual, that has been explained in the point B. So when you read here in this entire paragraph, there is nothing which describe about any wishes of the patient. Wishes of the patient has been described anywhere. Likewise, aims to make, there is no special effort from anyone's side to make someone fully aware about any right. See, so there is no information. See here, A and B is because there is no information provided here related to that. But so I told you to focus thus, therefore, such sentence. Similarly, focus here. It is often a question. So now moving on to fifth question. The guidelines require those undertaking a clinical medication review. Those undertaking medication review. So I told whenever a sentence starting with negative sentence, however, this, however, furthermore, how, despite of, in spite of, all these sentences shows negatives. Thus, this so shows a conclusion. Okay. So here they have stated something in however. So whatever written here is saying that the answer should be this thing. Okay. All patients should have the chance to raise question and highlights problem about their medicine, and that any changes resulting from the review are agreed with the patient. So they have the right to take decision. That has been discussed in the 5th A. Okay, 5th A, see 5th A. So here those undertaking a clinical medication. See here it also states that GP practices are expected to. See, this entire thing is not talking about any patient. It's talking about GP practices. Then why you are focusing here? It's a waste of time. Only you must be focusing here. And I told you, you have to focus on these connectors, linking words. So there lies your answer. Okay. Remaining I haven't checked itself. So now purpose of this email is to, now let's see the purpose. See, purpose, okay, all staff, remaining staff and safe use of opioid, somewhere it's written. Okay. Okay, see, what I want you to focus is it is therefore. See, that is a conclusion. It is therefore, thus, so, because of that, all this sentence. It is therefore. So your answer is lying here. If you do like this, it saves your time. It is therefore, there lies your answer. Just read this and you will be getting the answer. It is therefore recommended that post-operative patient now have continuous monitoring. Now have. So previously there was no continuous monitoring. So it's starting like that. Alert was issued. Some issues were discussed. before in August. Okay, so they were discussing about that or everything here in this entire place. But now the decision has been changed. Now have continuous monitoring. So that's the why background to change in a patient care. So sixth answer will be B. Okay. See, it is therefore that is the clue. Keep in mind the clue with you. Now comes the section part C. Okay. Let me take the questions. So this is the paragraph. See, the first question is seventh question. In the first paragraph, the writer uses Ivan Van in some names words too. So understand this question. Writer is using someone's words to explain something. So it's like when we tell some speech essay, we will tell someone said like that. Okay. It's like okay. So it's like what I can tell. One prime minister told plastic is not good. So I am writing an essay related to plastics, and I am saying someone's quotes which says that plastic is not good at all. But why I am taking support of that another patient. So the writer is also taking support of another different person here. So now our focus should be what writer uses, the point of writer, not this person's point. Okay, so this is that name Van, that name. See this everything. See there is a chord here. You can see, right? It's ending, starting and ending there. So all these things has been explained by this particular man. But in this case, we have to focus. The writer uses this person words too. The writer is taking someone's words to explain his point. That answer will be here in the except whatever written, whatever that person has told, exclude that and read this area. Then you will be getting the idea what writer want to say. So the question is, so reinforce a view about the impact of sleep deprivation. So since you already read that, just take a few moments. Okay, just in case if you are not getting, pause this video for a second. Now this is the paragraph and get the idea what I am trying to say. This is someone else's word which the one person has used or quoted for to say his points, not to encourage or appreciate the another person view. Here writer's view is important. So next comes 8th question. What do we learn about sleep? Something new, right? So this is the paragraph. This paragraph. A common refrain. Do you know the meaning of the refrain? See, there is your answer, refrain. Okay. Refrain meaning stop oneself from doing something. So they are not disagreeing. That is the meaning here. Hold back, withhold. Okay. So a common withhold among sleep scientists about 2 decades ago was performed by the brain in the interest of the brain. Okay, something related to refrain. They are stopping. Scientists doesn't believe all these things, whatever. If you don't know the meaning of refrain, we think scientists already supported for this, but that's not the case here. Scientists didn't support for those theories. Numerous recent theories have hindered the purpose of sleep. See, what we learn about any purpose, right? Purpose of sleep by confirming all these points. So in that point, what we are learning, purpose of sleep. It's a new studies. The answer is if you don't know the meaning of refrain, then you will get into trouble. You can just read also. Question. Answer will be C. Confirm has been written here. See, next ninth question is, what particularly impressed Bob McCarley? See, in this paragraph, see, it doesn't take any time for this question if you know the trick. Bob McCartney and colleagues. So whatever, it's specifically asking about one person, not to any group of persons. So McCartney and colleagues are a group of person, avoid it. McCartney and team. See, it's not an individual person, avoid it. Teaming up with Bashir. So it's not important because it has a team, group of members. But McCartney, he himself discovered something. See, what impressed that person. So from here this answer starts. So whenever there is it's easy because we tend to forget whether increased or decreased. Just write increase like this in an arrow so that you can remember it. Okay, so the answer for the 9th question will be C. Okay. So just take a moment. Whatever the question asks for, Bob McCartney, that particular person only. This is a group of person, avoid it. Group of person, avoid it. Group of persons, avoid it. Only focus on what that particular man focused on. There lies your answer. Focus, give concentration and read. Increase you can write like this to remember. For otherwise, when you read the options, you might be getting confused. Now comes the next question. Okay, by no means, when we get something like that, just go and select that particular sentence. See, okay. So what I did is that I told I will be focusing on but. So like that sentence, but, and then I focused on, see what it's written, but adenosine levels. See, nothing is written, right? It's written about adenosine levels and sleep deprivation effects on brain or the body. So these are the keyword. See, effects has been changed to impacts. Then adenosine level. So has impact beyond its consequences, beyond its impact. So there is a greater consequence beyond unexpected or great impact is the. So the same sentence, I don't know the meaning itself for this. I didn't focus but I focused on the but and the keywords which has been mentioned. The same keywords is coming here. I'm just pausing for 1 second so that in case if you are having doubt, just concentrate, pause the video and watch. Then you don't have to refer the questions from the paper or previous papers which you had done. So that's how the explanation for the 10th question. Now comes the 11th question. What was the significant about findings in Vancouver experiment? So see again, see Vancouver, this man and colleagues, avoid that. Whatever related to colleagues we don't want because they are asking about particularly one person. But here see, say Vancouver. So we have to select the sentence from here. Okay, this is the verb. What he told, it will be written in the code. We have to focus on the what says here. Question is significance, something important finding in Vancouver experiments. Says Vancouver, what he says, we know it would be affected. He doesn't feel anything special about it. We know already it will be affected. But see, that is the one sentence here. The big surprise was, there is a big surprise, something important, something unexpected happened here. Was the effect be much greater than we thought? So there is a greater effect. Was greater effect much greater than we thought. So they thought something and the result is quite high. So there is a difference. That is what he is telling. He expected the result. We know it will be affected, but what happened, he was surprised because there is a greater difference between what he expected. So the answer here is extent of the contrast. Okay, the answer will be there, and that is the 11th answer, D. Now moving on to the 5th para, eat, right? Okay, this is the it in the sentence. So what I did is that I just mark where that sentence it is coming, just for namesake. So understand the grammar when you say it, because when you frame a sentence like table is flat, then next sentence we will tell you, next sentence will be it is made up of wood. Okay, so it is representing something said before. Table is table is black in color. It is made up of wood. Okay, table, it means something said before. Okay, pronoun, I guess that is a grammatical word, I guess. Pronoun, it is a pronoun. Okay, so answer won't be here in this line, it will be here before the it. Okay, so here when you read carefully, what happened is that several places they are talking about sleep restriction, impairment in sleep, sleep restriction, lack of sleep. Several places they had used synonyms and other vocabularies. They told about same thing. Okay, and catabolics, only other options are like catabolic, new evidence, all these things are mentioned after. Enzyme is mentioned, still speculative is mentioned here, catabolic only is mentioned here, but this is just a word or part of a small sentence. But here they are focusing 3-4 lines are talking about only sleep restriction, so that is shows its importance. Okay, now moving on to 13th question. What aspects of her findings surprised this person? Okay, again see, this team is there. This team, don't read the team, just focus on the character, that name, team and colleagues. Don't read what because it's only talking about particular person. So if their friends or colleagues are there, just keep that sentence itself there and then and there itself. Now comes what Kara had said. Okay, so what Kara had said, this is, I don't know the pronunciation, I am not sure with the names. So Sirle, whatever it is. So here whatever she said is important. Okay, the before that whatever they other points are not important, because it's not told by her, it's told by a team. So what happened is, says Sirle, that name. So here is what surprised. There is surprise means emotion. In this sentence, if you read carefully, there is 2 places something that emotional related words has been explained. That's one is worrisome and one is she is expected. Worry is an emotion, we can easily understand, but here something, she expected something normal to resume, but against her expectation, that means surprise. She expected something a normal range, but something happened beyond the expectation. So there lies your answer. So answer for this 13th question will be A. There was no reversal. No reversal means those change remained. It's a remained. Those changes remained. That is written as there was no reversal. Okay, moving on. Okay, the quote from someone name is used to suggest See, we have used someone else's quote to say something of ours, to stress our point. So whatever return in what he said, what Van Cotter said is not important for us. Why we used? So that only I told to focus on but with so much our physiology affected, effective therapy, all this sentence, there lies your answer. So what this Van Cotter told is not important, but why the writer used? Because he want to stress on something. So answer is there. Pause the video and watch. So next question is writer questions whether. So there is a question about something. Okay. In this case, actually what happened is that there is a tricky thing is that plausible. This word you should know. Then only you will get the meaning. So the meaning is plausible. See, plausible means it's like, okay, plausible means it means questioning. Okay, so see, they are telling here the question, the writer questions whether. If you know the meaning of plausible, you know answer lies here, because the sentence ends here. Okay, so answer should be somewhere here, and the first sentence is not important because it's a definition. If you know how to read, then you get it. Plausible, there lies your answer. Another, every other keywords like neurological markers, everything comes after this question sentence, so it's not important. It's just skip that. So if you know the meaning of plausible, you should know the answer. Now what does daughter soul object to? Object to. Okay, now we should check the meaning of object to. See, object to also is oppose, disagree, disapprove. So if like against, that is the meaning. So okay, so object to is against. Okay, so it's a dot. What does daughter soul is against to? That's the question. See, okay, here whatever this Barclay, this professor is talking about something up to here. Then Dr. Richard suggests something, that sentence starts from here. When you read, like he started disagreeing from here, and if you focus on it, under such subjective criteria, if the situation is so, the entire population could potentially qualify. If that is the criteria, then everything could come into this. For all human being, entire population could fall into this category. That's what he is talking. So answer is C. The grouping of impressive symptoms into mental disorder. Impressive meaning. Precise meaning something accurate. So see, this is the pronunciation. I hope you can listen. I am not sure. No, it's not. The audio is not available because it's already recording. That's why audio is not available. Precise, impressive means its opposite. So the grouping of impressive symptoms into mental disorder. So this daughter soul is against the grouping of not perfect, not accurate symptoms, that he is not satisfied. That sentence you will be getting from here. Okay, this first few sentences will be according to the opinion of Barclay from this quote. That's why quote punctuation marks is important. Read from here only. Now the question is, writer regards the study of children in foster care as significant, something important. That is meaning of significant. So this everything 3 times is a fact. Certain things reveals that everything is a fact. But see, one semicolon has been used here, which means thus, therefore, like that. Semicolon means like that. Thus, therefore, thing like that. So from here, whatever written after this semicolon, that is quite important. Okay. So from here, your answer lies here, anxiety. Then if you read this, you will be getting the answer for this question, and the answer for the 17th question is A. Highlights the difficulty of distinguishing ADHD for other conditions. Now come to the 18th question. The word they refers to. Okay, see, I told early. So see, I selected few words related to like that. I told related to it. Whatever several points has been discussed in one place, like which question I am not remembering. We discussed now itself. So here what happened is begins in childhood, condition in childhood. Everything is written. Okay, so this is. See, this they means it's a plural. It's not it. It means one table is single. But they means it is plural. So we have to expect something plural in the they. Okay. So answer is they. So I told if a sentence, just mark this they sentence. So your answer won't be coming in the they, because they are discussing. Okay. Two person name Rita and Samuel is doing something. They are walking. Okay, they. That's why they means representing something. Two persons, two things. So we expect our answer should be in plural, not in singular. So they means they will be studies. Even though begins about they are discussing about childhood, several place conditions of childhood has been discussed, origin conditions has been discussed, but plural is studies. Okay, so answer is studies, like that, because if you know the pronoun you can get the answer. Now come to Dr. Farrow. This name suggests that a group of patients diagnosed with adult onset ADHD. Now this is his word. Whatever coming before that is not important. This word is quite important from here. Okay, here answer is perhaps. He says all these things. So this quote is important. This quote ends somewhere here. Okay, this is single quote. Single quote is ending here. The researchers found a group of people who had sub-threshold. There may have been signs. Everything perhaps. These were small kids with particularly supportive parents or teachers. So this could be particularly parents or teachers who supported them. Such intellectual and social scaffolding would help in early life. But, see the importance of but. But when the scaffolding, that protection is removed, this ADHD could develop. That is the answer. So moving on to the 20th question. It is suggests that drug companies have. So what I did is that I selected drug companies synonym. Marketing by manufacturers, market, drug makers, part by manufacturers. These are the drug company synonyms. I just read that. Then what I did is that I checked those sentence only. So when I checked this sentence here, I found that even though drug makers has been mentioned, In this sentence, subject is clinicians, not the drug makers. So this is not our answer. Like here one example, for in many instances, this if you read this sentence you will be getting the idea. In many instances, for example like that, expand the definition. So these persons expanded the definition of ADHD by funding them. So previously there was a definition, but later they funded some amount. That's why that definition got expanded. That is the reason. Now come the 21st question, trademark. So we selected trademark. Okay, this is within a court, right? This person is selling something, that is okay. So the quote starts from here. As daughter Saul asserts, as he claims. So that's why this sentence you have to focus from this point up to this, not beyond this. Don't read anything here, one sentence, because this daughter says something. So and again, thus, this is, so, like that. So your answer is from, because it's a conclusion, so you will be getting an idea. This is because the body stopped producing the appropriate level of neurotransmitters that ADHD drugs replace. A trademark of addictive substance. Body is stopping producing something. Okay, 21. See here, answer is neurotransmitter. This is because the body stopped producing neurotransmitter. Neuro means what? It's related to psychology, right? So that's a physiological reaction. Okay, this is okay. This is because the body stopped producing the appropriate levels of neurotransmitters related to body. So it will be related to physiological reaction. So others are not related to physiology or body neurotransmitter. So like that I found out the answer for myself. You might be having any other trick, go for it. Rather than reading everything and getting confused, this could be some helpful hints for you to use. Now comes the 22nd question. In the final paragraph, what does the writer imply, says about addiction? So I told you, whenever these drugs, so means conclusion. So more works needed to be done before we can settle the questions surrounding the diagnosis and treatment of ADHD. So this answer is here. So whenever there is a so, I told it's important. So answer, read this carefully and understand why you got this. C, insufficient attention. So insufficient attention seems to have been paid to it. So they didn't pay any attention. So this is regarding, so more works needed to be done before we can settle the questions surrounding the diagnosis and treatment. So like this you can conclude. So if you understood, I guess you will be getting some points from here. You don't have to read the entire thing. So if you are reading the entire thing, then you won't be getting enough time to read and do all questions. So like this, if you are selectively reading everything, that is known as skimming and scanning. That is the most important part. Okay, related to this, I have a spiritual story. If you want, you can listen in. It won't be public, it will be public, and this video won't be public. It will be a private video. Only person who has my video a link can see this. But in case if you want to have how I got all these things how spiritual reasons are there, how I found out this answer this much quickly. For that, you can watch other video which I will be uploading soon. So I hope this video might be useful for you. Thank you.